eating plums and taking breaks. Candy! Yay! I like you. Daddy, can I have some candy again?
But first, you need to clean your room.
Okay. Oh wow, lots of mess. Let's do this. Oh, done!
Oh, is it clean?
Yeah.
Mmm.
I want this.
Okay.
This
There you go, sir.
I want more. Daddy, can I have some more candy?
Now, if you want more, you need to water the garden.
Can I have some candy, please?
Did you water the garden? Ready? Oh, there you go, sir. Oh, have you done the sweeping?
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Yummy, yummy.
I can do